a few showers about. Well, the tide should be out by now, just about. Well, it's 11 o'clock and it's 12 something, 12:20 or something like that. It's low tide, so it's a good time to get across this area. I think we're at Happy Valley Resort, just past it. Right. Bit of roadworks. Didn't know they'd put extra sand on these bits. So I've let my tyres down a bit now that I've left the beach. Yeah, they seem to be at a good tyre pressure at the moment.
You got a bloody job and a half.
Yeah, I know. But we're getting there. Like I said, I've done 40 plus kilometres already today. That's a scribbly gum. I think it's called that because there's caterpillars or something that gets in the grubs, and they make all these squiggly lines on them all the time. Slow going, but I'm climbing at the moment. Probably only doing about maybe probably 7 kilometres an hour, something like that. These are fun tracks on the downhills and just a little bit slower on the uphills. It is very humid, I will say. The temperature's not that hot, but the humidity. I like all the moss that's on the left as you cycle along. It's pretty cool. Campground. Must be close. Welcome to Central Station Campground. No noise after 9 PM. That's cool. Means you get a good night's sleep. I've decided to go for a walk for the afternoon to Basin Lake. Impressive? Staghorn Fern. How's that for a crystal clear stream? Looking up in the canopy. These are like twins. Up into the canopy. Just coming to Basin Lake. It's a 3-kilometre walk from Central Station. This is Basin Lake and sits on sand, so it's so pure and clear. A lake that's formed pretty much just by rainwater, nothing else.